Hello there, my precious little eggies. I have an Adobe Premiere tip for you guys today. This one is especially geared towards my video essay people, my meme makers, or really anyone who has huge chunks of flattened video that they need to cut up into little subclips. What is a flattened video, you ask? Well, here's a channel relevant example. This is a compilation of Owen Wilson saying wow. You guys know how I feel about Owen Wilson saying wow.
Wow.
There are countless wows in this video, and because it's a rip from YouTube, it's a flattened video, meaning Premiere doesn't recognize the fact that there are numerous cuts within this single video file. I want this Owen Wilson wow.
Wow.
I could just take out the razor tool, cut, and bam, I have it.
Wow.
Yeah, I could do that. That'd be fun if I was stupid.
Well, that's a bit of an exaggeration. The razor tool does work fine here, but if you need every one of these wows cut out neatly, that would probably take you a few minutes to do with the razor tool. Considering the indisputable fact that ain't nobody got time for that, we're gonna right-click the flattened video and select Scene Edit Detection. It's right below Speed Duration, which really makes me feel like an egg for not noticing this sooner. I've been editing in Premiere for about 60 years now. Ladies and gentlemen, me and my big brain. The good news is this feature was added to Premiere last year, so I'm only several months late to the party. Anyway, Scene Edit Detection. This feature will automatically detect edit points within a flattened video. So in this particular example, every time there's a new Owen Wilson wow, Premiere will detect the change in the edit and create a cut. You can also choose to have Premiere create a bin of all the new subclips it will create, or place markers on the timeline. I'll just let Premiere apply the cuts and work off my timeline, but check off whichever one sounds best for you. Or all three, whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. The analyze step will take a second. Depending on the length of your video, this could be a brief 10 seconds or several minutes. And there you go, now Premiere has created cuts every time this edit changes. And honestly, it's pretty damn accurate. Keep in mind, if you're using a clip where the dialogue trails across different camera angles, it will create cuts in there.
It's gonna be our honeymoon. Wow.
You can just slide those back together and it's good as new. But this actually came in super handy for me. Recently, I made a music video for my friend Alex from Conversing with Oceans, and we shot the whole thing on tape. I'm gonna make a video about this, but stay with me for a second. For those of you who aren't familiar with the workflow, you have to digitize the tape in order to edit it. I took the entire tape, which was about an hour's worth of footage, digitized it, put it into Premiere. Now I have an hour-long take of every time I hit start and stop recording. It's really a pain in the ass. On digital, obviously I would have my list of every single file. I can click through them and look at them, but with this I have this big unwieldy chunk of footage. By using this workflow, Premiere created all those cuts for me, and now I have the individual takes of everything I did on that one tape. It's super helpful, it saved a ton of my time, and it was pretty accurate. You might have to go through it and clean up some of the cuts, but honestly it's a hell of a lot quicker than just scanning through it and making all the cuts yourself. And that's all I got for you today. This was a quick one. I hope it's helpful for you. Let me know if you already have been using this feature in Premiere, if you knew about it. If you didn't know about it, hey, let me know either way. If you don't edit in Premiere, I don't know, tell me what you had for breakfast. And as always, thank you guys for watching the video, for all the support. Smash that subscribe button. I recently opened the P.O. box. You can check out that info in the description below. Give this video a share if you found it helpful, and find me on the social medias linked down below. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Alright, bye-bye.
Like and subscribe. Sweet Loop Photography. Domain.